Hello all, welcome to Mathemedici. Today we are going to see the remaining questions of algebra. I think previous sessions are useful for you, and we can move to that today's topic. First question: simplify 4x plus 7y plus 5x minus y. First, we have to group the x term and y term. Here we have two x terms and two y terms. We have to make the group 4x plus 5y plus 7y minus y is equal to 0. 5x plus 4x is 9x and 7y minus y is 6y is equal to 0. 2w minus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 2 minus w. Here we have to take the denominator to a right hand side. It makes multiplication. Expanding the bracket, 4 into 2 is 8 and 4 into minus w is minus 4w. Here we have to take the w's as a left side and the constant in the right side. 4w plus 2w is equal to 6w. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. So w is equal to 9 divided by 6. This is a multiples of 3. So we have to cancel it. 3 2s are and 3 3s are. W is equal to 3 divided by 2. Next question. X plus 1 divided by 2 plus x plus 3 divided by 3 is, we have to take the given equation, and here there is no common divisible, so we have to cross multiply it. We cross multiply it 3 into x plus 1 plus 2 into x plus 3 divided by 6. We have to expand the bracket in the numerator. So 3 into x is 3x and 3 into 1 is 3. So 3x plus 3, and next bracket is 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 3 is 6. Here we have to group the x value. 3x plus 2x is 5x and 3 plus 6 is 9. So 5x plus 9 divided by 6 is the simplest form. And simplify 4 divided by 2 minus x is equal to 3 divided by x. We have a common denominator. 2 minus x into x is a common denominator. Here we have 4 divided by 2x. So we have no x. So 4 into x divided by x into 2 minus x. We have to multiply in both numerator and denominator. So minus 3 into, we have no 2 minus x. So 2 minus x divided by x into 2 minus x. 4x minus, we have to expand this. 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 into minus x. Minus 3 into minus x is plus 3x divided by common denominator, and we have 4x plus 3x. 4x plus 3x is 7x and minus 6 divided by x into 2 minus x. This is the simplified form of the given equation. Next, m is equal to root of k cube plus 1 divided by 4. If we squared it on both sides, the square roots and square cancels. So m square is equal to k cube plus 1 divided by 4. Take the 4 into left side. 4m square is equal to k cube plus 1. 4m square minus 1 is equal to k cube. K cube is equal to 4m square minus 1. We have to take cube root on both sides. Cube root we take means a cube and cube root cancel. So k is equal to cube root of 4m square minus 1. This is the simplified form of the given equation. Next question. Write 3 divided by b plus 2 divided by a minus b as a single fraction in its simplest form. Given 3 divided by b plus 2 divided by a plus a minus b, we have to cross multiply the given, cross multiply it to get the common divisible. So cross multiplied it, and we have to expand the brackets in numerator. So 3 into a minus b plus 2b divided by a minus b into b. If we expand the bracket, 3a minus 3b plus 2b divided by a minus b into b. Here we have the two values coefficient of b. We have to simplify it. Minus 3 plus 2b is equal to minus b. So 3a minus b divided by b into a minus b. Next question, so that 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2 can be written as 2 minus root 2. We have to show that. So given equation 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to, first we have to take the denominator value. We have taken that, cross multiply the given equation. So root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. If we reciprocal the equation, we get 1 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 divided by root 2. In the denominator we have reciprocal, means it taken to the numerator. So my root 2 divided by root 2 plus 1 is the equation of the answer for the denominator. Multiply the numerator and denominator by conjugate root 2 minus 1. Here root 2 into root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. Here root 2, we have to multiply, expand the bracket. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. Root 2 into minus 1 is minus root 2. Divided by a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So a square means a value is root 2. So a square means root 2 square is equal to 2. And b square means b value is 1. B square value is also 1. So we get 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So 2 minus root 2 is the answer. We have the proof. Yes, next question. Prove that 2n plus 3 square is minus 2n minus 3 the whole square is a multiple of 8 for all positive integer n. Given 2n plus 3 the whole square minus 2n minus 3 the whole square. This is the formula of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b and a minus b. Here in this expression a is equal to 2n plus 3 and b is equal to 2n minus 3. In this identity we have to substitute the value. So 2n plus 3 minus 2n minus 3, 2n plus 3 plus 2n minus 3. We have to expand the bracket. 2n plus 3 minus 2n minus 3 minus plus 3. 2n cancel. 3 into 3 plus 3 is 6. Here similarly 2n plus 3 plus 2n minus 3 minus 3 minus plus 3 cancels. 2n plus 2n is equal to 4n. Multiply the both, means we get 4 6 are 24n. Show that 3x plus 6 divided by x square minus 3x minus 10 plus x plus 5 divided by x cube minus 25x. Simplify to ax. You have to simplify into ax, where a is an integer. Given equation, and we have to participate in two terms. First term, we have to take the values. So 3x plus 6 divided by x square minus 3x minus 10. This in the form of, is here 3 is a common value because both are divisible by 3. We taking 3 is common. 3 into x plus 2 divided by, here we have to factorize it. Factorization means you have to multiply the coefficient of x square into the constant term. So minus 10 is equal to 5 into 2. 5 2s are 10. Minus means you have to put anywhere in the minus. So we have to put here. If we sum this both, we get the coefficient of x value. Here the x value is also minus, means you have to put the value to a minus value to the large number. So minus 5x plus 2x minus 10. So 3 into x plus 2 divided by x plus 5 into x plus 2. X plus 5 divided by, taking the second term, x plus 5 divided by x cube minus 2x, 25x, implies we have numerator is a factor value, so you have to put x plus 5 divided by x cube minus 25x. Here x cube is having, so we have to factorize into x cube, x square. So x into x square minus 25x. X square minus 25 means a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here the a value is x and b value is equal to 5. So x into x minus 5 into x plus 5. Substituting in the given equation, we get first value, second value. 1 and 2 in the given equation means 3 divided by x minus 5 plus 1 divided by x into x plus 5, x minus 5. We have to add this, means we have the common denominator. So here we have to put the x into x, 3x plus 1 divided by x into x minus 5. This is the simplified equation of the given equation. Next, solve x plus 2 divided by 3x plus x minus 2 divided by 2x is equal to 3. Here we have to find the common values. Here the common value is 6x. So 3x into 2x means x is having common. The constant value should be 6. So we have to make the constant as a 6. Multiply the values. X plus, we have 3 in the denominator, so we have to multiply it into 2. So 2 into x plus 2 divided by 2 into 3x plus, we have the denominator value 2, so we have to multiply it in 3. So 3 into x minus 2 divided by 3 into 2 into x. We have got that denominator as the same, 6x. We have to expand the expand the bracket. So 2 into x is 2x, 2 into 4 is 2, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into x is 3x, and 3 into 2 is 6. And making the denominator as a common and making numerator, we get 2x plus 4 plus 3x minus 6. Grouping the x values aside, we get 3x plus 2x is 5x, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. So 5x minus 2 divided by 6x is equal to 3. That is given in the equation. We have to taking the 6x in the right hand side, we get 5x minus 2x is equal to 3 into 6x. 3 into 6x is 18x. We taking the constant aside and taking the value of x in the right hand side, we get 18x minus 5x. So minus 2 is equal to 13x. X is equal to minus 2 divided by 13. This is the value of x. We have to find that. Okay, next question. 9a square b c power 4 whole power 1 by 2 divided by 6ab cube divided by 2 c into c. Now numerator is equal to, we have 9a square b c power 4 into whole power 1 by 2. We have to take the values of 1 by 2 to each and every term. We get 9 1 by 2, a square 1 by 2, b power 1 by 2, c power 4 whole power 1 by 2. Here 2 ones are 2 2s are, here both cancels. So square root of 9 is equal to 3. Here a b power 1 by 2 c square. This is the value of numerator. And denominator, we have to substitute it in the denominator. We get 3 2s are and 3 1s are. A cancels. B power 1 by 2. B power 3 by 2. Here c square divided by c. So c cancels. The remaining term is equal to b power 1 by 2 into c divided by 2 into b power 3 by 2. Constant value is 1 by 2. Term a is equal to 1. Term b is equal to b power 1 by 2 divided by b power 3 by 2. If we take that a n divided by a n is equal to a m minus n, we can write it in the b power 1 by 2 minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to, denominator the same. So 3 minus 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 divided by 2. 2 cancels and minus 1 remains. So minus 1 means we have to take that reciprocal. So 1 divided by b. Term c is equal to c square minus 1 means c. C is the term. So total term is c divided by 2b. I think you all understand this questions. If you have any doubts in this question, please comment me. Practice. You can practice means you can get it in more marks in algebra, and you can hit the exam. Thank you.